very good morning to all present here. My team members, Umar Khan, Aaron Gonsalves, Jordan Coutinho and I are of the firm belief that inventions are destroying mankind. We live in a high-tech world, and with the increase in technology, we are able to overcome the obstacles of time and space. But we need to remember that with every advantage comes a potential cost. The problem with technology is that most innovations come with unintended consequences, and these consequences are now piling up, causing harm and dangers of significant magnitude. Someone once said, "Take care of your body. It's the only thing you have to live in." Technology can have a large impact on the user's physical and mental being, where a person has the obsessive need to touch the mobile. A study from UMass Amherst showed that most viewers tend to abandon their online search if the page does not open in less than 2 minutes. And if it does open, they read only 20% of the matter on the page. Becoming too used to instant gratification can lead to poor choices in the real world. And that's not all. Did you know that using technology can actually affect your brain? An article in Psychology Today says that the use of technology can alter the wiring of our brain. A study of Chinese youths with the internet addiction disorder showed that internet-addicted adolescents are very good at looking for information on the internet, but are poor at remembering it. Technology also affects how our mind works, leading to depression. With too much information for us to handle, our brains cannot handle the stream of emotions, and this leads to negation and suppression that destroys empathy. A healthy outside starts from the inside. Aside from its effect on mental and social well-being, technology also affects our physical health. Time identifies computer vision syndrome as the complex of our problems, related to eye strain, blurred vision, and sometimes total blindness. The National Institute of Deafness and Communication Disorder reports about 26 million people in the past 2 years who have almost lost their hearing due to loud music and headphones. Any exercise is better than no exercise. With our dependence on technology, we have become even more lazy and are at the risk of getting diabetic and high cholesterol. Linus Pauling said, "There is no safe amount of radiation. Even small amounts cause harm." With the advancement in technology, we are now the largest subjects of the world's exposure to radiation, the Wi-Fi. The Institute of Carolina carried out a large-scale study on the effect of cell phones. The results show that there's a great risk of brain cancer for all cell phone users. No diet can do what healthy eating can do. The US Senate said no man of today can eat enough fruits and vegetables to supply his system with minerals for perfect health. Swallowing pills might have become so easy, but that too comes with so many side effects. So, in conclusion, I would like to say, even though humans think technology is absolutely amazing, they are not aware of its negative effect on our world today. And as Ralph Waldo Emerson forewarned, don't trust children with cutting-edge technology, and don't trust man with more power than he already has, until he has learned to use that power better. Or what a hell we will make of ourselves if we do not change. The impact of technology on our social, mental, physical and environmental health can be devastating if we don't constantly keep ourselves in check.